Good morning, students. Welcome again in the virtual class of Social Science, Chapter 14. Topic: I am proud to be an Indian. India has three main seasons in a year with short spring and autumn seasons. The three seasons are winter, summer, monsoon. And you know which season is going on? Winter. Main rivers of India. You can see in picture also, and I have written for you main rivers of India: Ganga, Yamuna, Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri, Brahmaputra, Godavari, etc. These are only main rivers of India, and we have more than these rivers, many rivers. India is called land of rivers, but these are the main rivers. The diversity make Indian culture rich and unique. People speak different languages. Diversity means different things. It makes Indian culture unique in the world, very rich. People speak different languages: Hindi, English, Punjabi, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, and Malayalam, Haryanvi, Maratha, so many, Dogri. There are officially 22 languages, but we speak more than these 22 languages in India. People follow many religions like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, Buddhist, Jain. And you can see in the picture different places of worship, or you can see gurus. Okay, so we Indians follow many religions: Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, Buddhist, Jain. Different dance forms, music styles of paintings and dresses are popular in different parts of India. It means different dance forms are performed in India, different type of music you can listen, styles of painting, so many styles of paintings are there, and dresses. In different parts of India, different type of dresses are worn, are popular in different parts of India. You can see different musical instruments in the picture, and now I will show different dance forms. One that you are watching on your screen in black, this is Rajasthani dance, Kalbelia, and second one is Manipuri dance. Now you can see on your screen Koli dance Maharashtra, Lavani folk dance of Maharashtra, Odissi dance, Kathak Uttar Pradesh or North India, Kathak is performed. Bharatanatyam dance is performed in Tamil Nadu. Kuchipudi dance from Andhra Pradesh. You can see on your screen. Manipuri dance. Manipur is a state in northeastern India, and this is Manipuri dance. Chow dance in Bengal. Kathakali dance of Kerala. Garba and Dandiya, Gujarat. Bhangra or Gidda, Punjab. Rauf, Kashmiri dance. And now you can see Ghumar dance, Rajasthani dance, Haryanvi dance. So we have different dance styles in India and different form of music, different types of dresses. So many variations are there, so many diversities in there. Okay, but still we live together. That's why it is called that Indian culture is rich and unique, and diversity, there is unity in diversity. So many diverse things and still we are unite. So we have unity in diversity. This makes Indian culture unique. So this is all about today's lecture, and in next lecture we'll learn more. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.